We out here, guys. Once again, we're gonna be testing the latest cases for the iPhone 10. And you asked for this, so here it is, Ultimate Carnage. Testing also some of the best and most durable cases for the iPhone 10. We've got some great stuff today. The Mous case, however you pronounce that. We've got the new UAGs, Pitaka's new Kevlar durable case, and more. So I'm very excited for this video. Let's get to it, guys. Back at my favorite location. And it's a great day. It's gonna be very sunny today. Great way to start the day with some brutal carnage. Okay, and as usual, we have a collection of iPhones here, enough to support, of course, all of these cases. Hopefully we don't break all of them. There's a lot of durable ones in here. So these, we're gonna be testing the iMac case even. So I think I will choose the one I'm most excited about, and that's the Pitaka carbon fiber case or Kevlar case. So this is a insane version of the super thin one. It's got bumpers, very solid feeling, got some Alcantara in here, very nice. Okay, so popping this guy in here. This is a water damaged one, so it doesn't turn on. I want to get those out of the way first, since this is a very expensive video to film. Okay, and just so you know, these all have screen protectors on them, because personally I use them all the time with every iPhone, and I don't see why you wouldn't. Just add more security to your phone, and here we go. So Pitaka mag case, I believe, the more durable version, in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that was front facing. 1. Have we claimed our first victim? No, we have not. Neither the outer shell has been broken nor the inner. So the impact was right here. Scratched a little along the edges. And up here a little. Oh, actually that's where it hit. So that actually, it chewed right into the case, but otherwise unharmed. So very nice. Okay, so next up is the Lux Armor, and I'm sure you guys haven't heard of this one. It's actually such a crazy case. It's got glass on the back. It's literally like a screen protector, but built into a case. Feels very nice. You get the finish of the regular iPhone 10, very premium. But honestly, I don't think it's up to the standards of drop tests, and this will definitely put that to the test. So, okay, once again, popping that in there. I love the finish, and oh my gosh, look at that. I literally just broke it putting the phone in the case. How nice is that? Great start. Okay, definitely no high hopes for this one. Oh man, this is gonna be bad. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, oh man. I already see from here the carnage is so bad. Screen is destroyed. That is so bad. Exactly what I expected to happen. There's absolutely no protection on this thing. So yeah, the screen on the front is destroyed. Funny thing is, this thing is in pretty good shape. The top screen protector. On the back, we've got pretty terrible cracking. So now you have 3 surfaces to crack on your phone. The front screen, the back glass, and now the back case glass as well. Oh man. Ooh, yeah. Nice. So this thing is absolutely demolished. So let's do this one. This is the UAG Camo series. And I'm personally rocking the orange one. Really love it. See if this thing can make the damage vanish. All right, definitely Old Faithful here. Can always rely on UAG, so I already know it's gonna survive. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. UAG literally survives this test like every single time. And did I speak too soon? Hit on the bottom here, but the screen is intact. Yeah, literally nothing to say here. It's in great shape. The case got a little deformed, but other than that, the phone has survived. All right, and here it is, the legend itself. I still don't know how to pronounce that Mous, but it feels quite solid. Like, it is really, really hard, stiff. I can see why they certify this, I think, up to 40 feet or so that they've tested it. So, okay, let's pop this guy in. Finally, a working one. And let's see how it does. I'm already feeling very confident in it. It feels so solid. All right, so 50 feet for the Mous case. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that's a side impact. Did not sound good. Please. Oh no. That is no good. So the glass did not crack, but yeah, we still got damage here. This was not the mouse case's fault. This was literally the impact. But although it is a very stiff case, I feel like it doesn't disperse the energy quite as well as many others would. Okay, and next up is the Spigen iMac tribute case. It's a very, you know, I guess you could say on the bulky side, so I feel like it would do pretty well. That is one neat looking case. Let's go drop it. Oh, and just so you guys know, this has a defect on the screen. It's bleeding for some reason, but it is intact, so physically it's sound. Anyways, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was so bad. That was chance. See, sometimes they don't fall on the side, just go on the front. And in this case, this one got unlucky. That could not have gone any more wrong. Ooh, that is bad, like fragmented everywhere. Look at that, oh my gosh. This basically got the worst of it, so I guess you can't be too surprised here. It's an amazing looking case, but does it offer the protection that you need? Or did it just get unlucky? Okay, next up, Incipio. One of the most durable I'm testing also, rated at 10 feet. It's mesh, and then the hard plastic on the outside. Let's throw this guy on here. That's a very slim and nice case for the protection it offers. I like that. Okay, please, please don't break. But here we go, another iPhone 10 in the Incipio. Super cool looking. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, it was so bad. Oh, we've got another victim. So it literally does not crack, but the display goes haywire. Yeah, so this is not the case's fault. This is literally the structure of the phone. It was not meant to be dropped from so high. I guess you could call this sort of a survivor. Look at that, the actual case cracked here from the impact. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm running out. Gotta open the closed one. And this is a brand new iPhone 10. I'm gonna slip a screen protector on it and throw it in here. So this one is the Ghosttech Atomic Slim. Okay, so there's that. Definitely one of the hardest cases I've ever put on a phone. Unnecessarily complex. I feel so bad for doing this, seriously. Pulled it out of the box just for this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. That's a roller and a dead. Dead on impact. Okay, and that's a third one. So this is technically a survivor once again, but the impact was just too much. Look at the warp. Okay guys, yeah, for the next video, I'm definitely taking it down a notch from 50 feet to probably 20 to 30 because these phones are just not as durable as the old 6S's that, you know, most of them would survive this test. So this video is getting a lot more expensive than I thought it would. I'm just gonna reuse these and consider the actual screen damage. So physically, it's in good shape. You know, it was not cracked. So we're gonna see if these cases can crack it. Forget the lines on the screen. So this is the Carapax by Ankur. A very slim case. I don't see it doing quite well. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. And that's on the back. 1. What's going on here? So physically, this case survived as well. As you can see, front back is okay. It's literally just the display that's deforming more and more. It's peeling back from the front layer of glass. So even being thin and all, it did not do bad. This phone can continue to another test. All right, so next up, we're gonna do Poetic. All right, so that's the Poetic, I believe, Guardian. Nice looking case, a little too bulky and flimsy for my liking though, but here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, oh wow, that is bad. Look at that, so it cracked the frame, But believe it or not, the phone is still surviving. Nor the back, nor the front has broke. It's just the OLED underneath deforming. Look at that. Look at how much damage it went through, and the screen is still not cracked. The actual border has pushed in through the display. It's like a sandwich now. The Iblaze. Oh man, this does not feel durable at all. It's not very solid feeling, but these cases can surprise you with their impact absorbedness. Looks quite nice, I guess. And here we go, the Iblaze in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I felt that like hit the tower. Okay. Wow, that did marvelously. It looks to be unharmed, both front and back. The case is looking really good too. It's like no sign of damage. Yeah, that survived. Cool. We keep going. Okay, forgot about this guy, but this is a prototype version of the HitCase. All right, so ridiculously well made. That is awesome. It's got an aluminum border here. You can put lenses on it. I feel so bad for breaking this. This is a prototype model, so this may or may not speak results for the final version. Any case, let's do it anyways. All right, I have a very good feeling about this one. Very well built. It is more for underwater filming and stuff, but it's supposed to be very durable for, this kind of stuff as well. Anyways, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. The screens have survived. That took some major damage underneath here though. Scuffing and the seal's coming off, but surprisingly well. You can still reuse it. All right, and last one is purely for entertainment. This is the LV Supreme Edition. This is like several $1,000 case, had it been real, but this is a really, really good fake though. So let's just do this for fun. This is a broken iPhone 10. I just want to see if the screen will survive. This thing is actually made out of metal and aluminum, so it could either be very good or very bad, considering this has almost no shock travel. It's literally just gonna go straight into the phone. But it looks good. It's a very nice fake. All right, ready? Here we go, last one. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that's like a brick. All right, what have we here? A terribly broken phone. So look at that, it actually jutted out of the case with the impact. I feel like it just did not have enough, absorption in there to prevent this from happening. Case still looks like it's in pretty good shape. Actually held up better than the real one when we dropped it here, funny. Okay, that's the last one, guys. All right, guys, so these you can say are the survivors. Even though on some of them, the display did malfunction. There was a couple of these, I still don't fault that on the case. It's mostly the design of the iPhone. It's not made to withstand 50 feet, but even so, all of these cases did marvelous. There were only a couple that did not make the cut here as well. Obviously, this one is a replica case. It shouldn't even be here. I'm just doing it for fun. The iMac case got unlucky, honestly. I think that's what it was. And this one, honestly, is not a case you buy for the durability. I broke it putting it on my phone, but at least we know now. So anyways, guys, just want to say thanks for watching. Another entertaining one of these down. Let me know what cases I should test in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.